Deep beneath an Italian castle, a secret lay hidden for centuries. This castle, with its imposing walls and majestic towers, held more than just the echoes of history. It concealed a mystery that had eluded scholars and adventurers alike. This is the story of a remarkable discovery. A discovery that would change our understanding of the Renaissance era and its architectural marvels. A team of scientists, guided by a sketch from Leonardo da Vinci, unearthed a network of hidden tunnels. These tunnels, long forgotten, were meticulously mapped out by Da Vinci himself, showcasing his unparalleled genius. The sketch, dating back to the 15th century, provided a glimpse into the castle's past. It was a detailed blueprint, revealing the intricate design and purpose of the hidden passages. It hinted at a hidden world beneath the surface, a world that was both functional and enigmatic, designed with precision and foresight. The discovery sent ripples of excitement through the archaeological and historical communities. Scholars and enthusiasts from around the world were eager to learn more about this hidden chapter of history. It offered a tangible link to the brilliance of Leonardo da Vinci. His sketches were not just artistic masterpieces, but also technical marvels that bridged the gap between art and science. The find also promised to shed light on the secrets of Renaissance architecture and engineering. These tunnels were a testament to the advanced knowledge and skills of the time. The hidden tunnels whispered of intrigue, escape, and the architectural genius of a bygone era. They were more than just passageways, they were a window into the past. This discovery, however, was not merely about finding hidden passages. It was about uncovering the stories and secrets that these tunnels held. It was about connecting with the mind of a master. Leonardo da Vinci, with his insatiable curiosity and boundless creativity, had left behind a legacy that continued to inspire and amaze. Leonardo da Vinci, the quintessential Renaissance man, left his mark on art, science, and engineering. His contributions were not confined to his time. They transcended centuries, influencing generations of thinkers and creators. His sketch, a testament to his meticulous observation and boundless curiosity, served as a bridge across centuries. It connected the past with the present, offering insights into the mind of a genius. The unveiling of the hidden tunnels was a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity. It was a celebration of the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the unyielding spirit of discovery. It served as a reminder that the past always holds more secrets waiting to be uncovered. Each discovery, no matter how small, adds a piece to the puzzle of our history. The discovery was a triumph of both cutting-edge technology and the enduring legacy of a Renaissance genius. It highlighted the importance of preserving our heritage and the endless possibilities that lie in the intersection of history and modern science. The castle, nestled in the heart of Italy, had borne witness to centuries of history. Its towering presence has stood the test of time, watching over the changing landscape and the evolving world around it. From its vantage point, it has seen empires rise and fall and has been a silent observer to the passage of countless generations. Its walls, scarred by time and conflict, held within them tales of power, intrigue, and resilience. Each stone, worn and weathered, is a testament to the many battles fought and the many lives that have passed through its gates. The castle's architecture, though battered, still exudes a sense of grandeur and strength. Originally constructed in the 14th century, the castle served as a strategic stronghold for a succession of rulers. It was a symbol of power and authority, a fortress that provided protection and a base for military operations. The castle's design, with its high walls and fortified towers, was meant to withstand sieges and attacks. Its strategic location, perched atop a hill, offered commanding views of the surrounding countryside. This vantage point allowed its inhabitants to spot approaching enemies from miles away, giving them a crucial advantage in times of conflict. The panoramic views also provided a sense of majesty and dominance over the land. This made it a coveted prize during times of war and unrest. Many sought to control the castle, knowing that possession of it meant control over the region. The castle's history is filled with stories of sieges, where attackers would lay in wait, hoping to breach its formidable defenses. Over the centuries, the castle faced numerous sieges and attacks. Each assault left its mark, both on the structure and on the people who lived within its walls. The castle's defenders, often outnumbered, relied on their knowledge of the terrain and the strength of their fortifications to repel invaders. Its walls echoed with the clash of swords, the thud of cannon fire and the cries of battle. Yet the castle endured. Through sheer determination and resilience it stood firm against the onslaughts, a beacon of hope and strength for its defenders. The sounds of battle, though long gone, seemed to linger in the air, a haunting reminder of the past. Each time it was damaged or destroyed, it was painstakingly rebuilt. The process of reconstruction was a labor of love, with each generation adding their own touch to the castle's design. This cycle of destruction and renewal became a part of the castle's identity, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who called it home. This cycle of destruction and reconstruction was a testament to the castle's strategic importance. It was more than just a building, it was a symbol of resilience and continuity. The castle's ability to rise from the ashes time and again spoke volumes about its significance in the region's history. It was also a testament to the enduring spirit of its inhabitants. The people who lived within its walls were not just passive observers of history, they were active participants. Their stories, filled with courage and determination, are woven into the very fabric of the castle. They faced hardships and challenges, yet they persevered, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire. The castle's long and turbulent history was etched into its very stones. Each crack and crevice tells a story, a silent witness to the events that have shaped its existence. The walls, though silent, speak volumes about the past, offering a glimpse into a world long gone. Each scar and imperfection told a story, whispering of the triumphs and tragedies that had unfolded within its walls. The castle's imperfections are not flaws, they are badges of honor, each one representing a chapter in its storied past. These marks of history add to the castle's charm, making it a living monument to the passage of time. The discovery of the hidden tunnels added another layer to this rich tapestry of history. These tunnels, once used for secret escapes and clandestine meetings, offer a fascinating glimpse into the castle's past. They are a reminder that the castle still holds many secrets, waiting to be uncovered by those who seek to understand its full story. Leonardo da Vinci's involvement with the castle went beyond a mere passing interest. His engagement with the structure was profound and multifaceted, reflecting his deep-seated passion for architecture and engineering. Leonardo was not just an artist, he was a visionary who saw the potential in every stone and beam. His work on the castle was a testament to his belief that architecture was an art form that could shape the human experience. His keen eye for detail and his innovative spirit found expression in the castle's architecture. Leonardo meticulously studied the existing structures, identifying areas for improvement and innovation. He was particularly fascinated by the interplay of light and shadow, and how these elements could be manipulated to enhance the aesthetic and functional aspects of the building. His designs often incorporated natural light in ways that were revolutionary for his time. Historical records revealed that Leonardo spent several years at the castle, immersing himself in its design and construction. During this period, he collaborated with other architects and engineers, exchanging ideas and pushing the boundaries of contemporary architectural practices. His contributions were not limited to grand designs. He also focused on practical aspects such as drainage systems, heating, and ventilation, ensuring that the castle was not only beautiful, but also functional. His sketch of the hidden tunnels was not merely a technical drawing, it was a testament to his understanding of fortification, and his ability to envision spaces unseen. These tunnels were designed with strategic purposes in mind, providing secret passages for defense and escape. Leonardo's attention to such details underscored his comprehensive approach to architecture, where every element served a purpose. It was a testament to his understanding of fortification and his ability to envision spaces unseen. Leonardo's designs often included innovative defensive features, such as angled bastions and concealed entry points, which were ahead of their time. His work on the castle's fortifications demonstrated his ability to blend creativity with practicality, ensuring that the structure was both aesthetically pleasing and secure. Leonardo's keen interest in engineering and architecture was well documented. His notebooks were filled with sketches and notes that revealed his thought process and his relentless pursuit of perfection. He approached each project with a scientific mindset, conducting experiments and making detailed observations. This methodical approach allowed him to develop innovative solutions to complex architectural challenges. He saw these disciplines not as separate from art, but as integral to a holistic understanding of the world. For Leonardo, art, science, and engineering were interconnected, each informing and enhancing the other. This interdisciplinary approach was evident in his architectural designs, which combined aesthetic beauty with structural integrity. His ability to integrate these diverse fields set him apart from his contemporaries and cemented his legacy as a true Renaissance man. He believed that form should follow function, and his architectural designs reflected this principle. Leonardo's buildings were not only visually striking but also highly functional, with each element serving a specific purpose. His designs often featured innovative solutions to common architectural problems, such as maximizing space and improving structural stability. This functional approach ensured that his buildings were not only beautiful but also practical and enduring. Leonardo's sketches were filled with innovative ideas for fortifications, bridges, and even entire cities. He envisioned urban landscapes that were both efficient and aesthetically pleasing, with well-planned streets, public spaces, and infrastructure. His designs for bridges were particularly notable, featuring elegant arches and robust construction that combined beauty with durability. These sketches provided a glimpse into Leonardo's visionary mind and his ability to think on a grand scale. He approached each project with a unique blend of artistry and scientific precision. Leonardo's meticulous attention to detail and his innovative spirit were evident in every aspect of his work. He conducted extensive research and experimentation, often developing new techniques and materials to achieve his vision. This combination of art and science allowed him to create structures that were not only beautiful, but also groundbreaking in their design and construction. Leonardo's time at the castle provided him with a unique opportunity to put his architectural theories into practice. He was able to experiment with new ideas and techniques, refining his designs and learning from the challenges he encountered. This hands-on experience was invaluable, allowing him to develop a deeper understanding of the practical aspects of architecture and construction. His work at the castle was a crucial part of his development as an architect and engineer. His insights, preserved in his sketches and notes, offered invaluable glimpses into the mind of a Renaissance genius at work. These documents revealed Leonardo's thought process, his meticulous attention to detail, and his relentless pursuit of perfection. They provided a window into his creative genius and his ability to envision and execute complex architectural projects. Leonardo's legacy as an architect and engineer continues to inspire and influence the field to this day. The network of tunnels beneath the castle, hidden from view for centuries, sparked intense curiosity. What purpose did these subterranean passages serve? Were they designed as escape routes, secret passageways, or perhaps something else entirely? The discovery ignited a firestorm of speculation among historians and archaeologists alike. One prevailing theory suggested that the tunnels formed part of an elaborate escape route. In times of siege, these hidden passages could have provided a means for the castle's inhabitants to slip past enemy lines undetected. This theory was supported by the tunnel's strategic location, connecting key points within the castle's fortifications. Another theory proposed that the tunnels served a more clandestine purpose. They might have been used as secret passageways, enabling the movement of individuals or goods without attracting unwanted attention. Such secret routes were not uncommon in castles of that era, often employed for matters of discretion or intrigue.